Welcome, in this video we will learn implementing browser autopwn in Kali Linux. Browser autopwn is an auxiliary module provided by Metasploit that allows you to automate an attack on a victim machine simply when they access a web page. Browser autopwn performs a fingerprint of the client before it attacks, meaning that it will not try a Mozilla Firefox exploit against an Internet Explorer 7 browser. Based upon its determination of browser, it decides which exploit is the best to deploy. A connection to the internet or internal network is required to complete this recipe. We are trying to hack a target. We want to know as much as possible about the target through reconnaissance. Then and only then we can choose an appropriate exploit. We should know the operating system, the application, the browser, the version of Java and Flash, etc. It's tedious but necessary work. Using a Java exploit when a Flash exploit is called won't simply work and might land you behind bars. The beauty of autopwn is that it relieves you of some of the hard work of reconnaissance. Autopwn will first try to fingerprint the victim's browser, then throw at it whatever exploit it thinks might work. It makes life quite simple. The downside of autopwn is that it is very noisy and can lead to either detection by the target or crashing the browser, which happens often. Let's open the terminal and start Metasploit. Type msf console, use autopwn. To get started with any exploit, generally we start with the use command, that is autopwn module is located at auxiliary server browser underscore autopwn. Type use auxiliary server browser underscore autopwn. This will load the module. Then to get more information on this module, type info. You can see that this provides us with all the information we need to get started, including each of the options and a brief description of the module. Show and set option. We need to ask it to show us the option. Type show options. You can see the options we have, that is lhost, rvhost, srv port, ssl, sscrt, URI path. The lhost is a local host or Kali attack system. Mine is at 192.168.1.1.106. So set lhost 192.168.1.106. Now we need to create URI path. This is the URL that we want to exploit to be located at our malicious server. We can call it anything we want, or we could leave it blank and Metasploit will set it to a default string. We are trying to entice our victim to click on this link, and let's try to make it inviting and use the name of our hacker training site, HackingTude. So type set URI path HackingTude. Finally, let's type exploit. This will start autopwn module. It starts numerous servers and then loads the exploits that may work against the browser. Each one represents a different possible vulnerability in our browser. Be patient as this takes a while. Here we can see that link is generated. Let's copy it up. If we use Windows 7 system with Internet Explorer 9, we'll get this warning from Internet Explorer. Here I'm using Google Chrome. Paste it in URL bar. You can see that no response. Let's go back to Kali. You can see that handling HackingTude session ID equals to so and so, and JavaScript report Windows 7 undefined, responding with 6 exploits. So that's it in this video on implementing browser autopwn in Kali Linux. Thank you for watching this video.